Division by Urdhva TiryakTwo Dhvajanks, that is black. So far we have taken divisor such that there is only one digit as Dhvajanka. Now we will consider two digits in Dhvajanka. We understand the process by solving the following example. Divide 39883 by 712. Step 1. 7 is written down, 12 is diagonally opposite on the upper side, and 398 decimal point 83 is dividend. 83 is two digits are taken in the decimal as remainder as Dhvajanka has two digits 12. Now first step is 3 minus 0, that is 3. 3 divided by 7, 3 divided by 7 equal to 0, and remainder is 3. Now second step, 39 is a dividend. 39 minus 1 into 0, that is 39. 39 by 39 by 7 equal to 5, and remainder is 4. Now third step, 48. 48 minus 2 into 0 plus 1 into 5 equal to 43, and 43 by 7 equal to 6, and remainder is 1. Step 4. 18 minus 2 into 5 plus 1 into 6, that is equal to 2. So 2 by 7 equal to 0, and R is 2, that is remainder 2. Now step 5, 23 minus 2 into 6 plus 1 into 0. So 23 minus 12 is 11. 11 by 7 is equal to 1, and remainder is 4. Step 6, 40 minus 2 into 0, 1 into 1 plus 1 into 1, that is 40 minus 1 equal to 39. So 39 by 7 equal to 5, and remainder is again 4. Now 40, step 7, 40 minus 2 into 1 plus 1 into 5, that is 2 plus 5 7. 40 minus 7 is 33. 33 by 7 equal to 4, and remainder is 5. Step 8, 50 minus 2 into 5 plus 1 into 4, that is equal to 10 plus 4 14. 50 minus 14 is 36. Now 36 divided by 7 equal to 5, and remainder is 1. But remainder 1, when we take 10 minus 2 into 4 plus 1 into 5 equal to 8 plus 5 13, that is minus 3. 10 minus 13 is minus 3. So this is not possible. 36 by 7 equal to 5 is not possible. So we again go back to the same step 8. 50 minus 2 into 5 plus 1 into 4, that is 14. 50 minus 14 is 36. 36 by 7 instead of 5, now we take 4. So remainder is 8. 7 fours are 28. 36 minus 28, 8. Now 80. 80, 8 is remainder, so 80 minus 2 into 4 and 1 into 4 again. So 8 plus 4 to 12. 80 minus 12 is 68. So 68 by 7 equal to 7 9s are 63 and remainder 5. Step 10. 50 minus 2 into 4 plus 1 into 9. So 50 minus 8 plus 9, 17. So 50 minus 17 is 33. 33 by 7 equal to 4 and remainder is 5. Next step, step 10 dash we take. 5 is remainder, so 50 minus 2 into 9 and plus 1 into 4, that is 18 plus 4, 22. 50 minus 22 is 28. Now 28 by 7 equal to 4 and remainder is 0. So we cancel this step. Again step 11 now. 50 minus 2 into 9 plus 1 into 4, 4, that is 7, 18 plus 4, 22. 50 minus 22 is 28. 28 by 7, we take 3 and remainder 7. Now, next step, 70 minus 2 into 4 plus 1 into 3. That is 8 plus 3, 11. 70 minus 11 is 59. Now 59 divided by 7 equal to 8. 7 8 are 56 and remainder is 3. In our example, it works out to be 1 into 6 plus 2 into 5 total multiplied by 10 plus 2 into 6 into 1, that is equal to 6 plus 10 multiplied by 10 plus 12 into 1, that's equal to 160 plus 12, that is 172. This 172 is to be deducted from 183. So R equal to 183 minus 172, that is equal to 11. So Q equal to 56.0154494,382, or Q equal to 56.015, that is 3 digits of decimals, or Q equal to 56 and R remainder equal to 11. As in our example, one can go on calculating the division endlessly for number of decimals after the decimal point, but we restrict our divisions to 5 digits only because that is sufficient for all practical purposes. The process of division can be represented in the following form: 3 by 7 equal to 0 R3, R is remainder, then 39 minus 1 into 0, that is 39 by 7 equal to 5R4. 48 minus 2 into 0 plus 1 into 5, that is equal to 43 by 7, that is 6R1. Then 18 minus 2 into 5 plus 1 into 6, that is equal to 2 into 5 is 10 plus 6, 16, 18 minus 16 is 2, so 2 by 7 equal to 0 R2, and so on. In the following examples, division is carried out using normal digits and also using Vinculum numbers. One will note that with normal digits, the number of steps may be more than those with Vinculum numbers. That is because some steps carried out have to be cancelled as the next step gives negative result. Such a case rarely arises when one uses Vinculum numbers. In all the calculations for quotient and remainder, Dhvajanks figures are taken first, followed by figures in the quotient figures below the horizontal line. This will avoid the confusion as to which figures are to be considered for calculation, especially for higher number of digits in Dhvajanks. So, example 1. Divide 1111 by 839. First divisor 8 is written down. Diagonally opposite on the upper line we take 39, that is Dhvajanks. There are 2 digits in the Dhvajanks. So after 11, next 2 digits are taken after decimal point. Now 1 divided by 8 equal to 0 or 1. Its remainder is 1. So 11 minus 3 into 0 equal to 11 by 8, that is equal to 1 or 3. Now 31 minus 9 into 0 plus 3 into 1, that is 3. 31 minus 3 is 28 by 8 equal to 3 or 4. Now 41 minus 9 into 1 plus 3 into 3, that is 9 plus 9 18. 41 minus 18 is 23 by 8 equal to 2 or 7. Now 70 minus 9 into 3 plus 3 into 2, that is 27, plus 6, that is 33. 70 minus 33 is 37, divided by 8, equal to 4 or 5. Now 50 minus 9 into 2 plus 3 into 4, equal to 12. 18 plus 12, 30. 50 minus 30 is 20. 20 by 8 equal to 2 or 4. But when we consider 40, 40 minus 9 into 4 plus 3 into 2, that is 36 plus 6, 42. It gives you minus result. 40 minus 42 is minus 2. So that is not possible. We consider again 50. 50 minus 9 into 2 plus 3 into 4 equal to 18 plus 12, 30. So 50 minus 30 is 20 by 8. We take one division as 1 and remainder is 12. Now 12 is 120 minus 9 into 4 plus 3 into 1, that is 36 plus 3, 39. So 120 minus 39 is 81, divided by 8, equal to 9 or 9. Now totally here we get 9 steps and 2 of the steps are cancelled. Now remainder is 311 minus 3 into 1 plus 9 into 0 multiplied by 10 minus 9 into 1. So the result is 311 minus 30, 3 into 0 into 10. So 3 into 1 into 10, that is 30, minus 9. So that is equal to 272. Now same example we consider by Vinculam's Sutra. 839 equal to 840 minus 1. 84 minus 1. So we consider 8 as divisor, diagonally opposite on upper line, we take 4 minus 1. So 1 divided by 8 equal to 0 or 1. Now 11 minus 4 into 0, that is 0. So 11 divided by 8 is 1 or 3. 1 or 3. Now 31 minus 1 into 0 plus 4 into 1, that is equal to 4. So 31 minus 4 is 27 by 8 equal to 3 or 3. Now again we get 31 minus 1 into 1 plus 4 into 3, that is 12 minus 1, 11. So 31 minus 11 is 20. 20 by 8 equal to 2 or 4. Now 40 is the next dividend. 40 minus 1 into 3 plus 4 into 2 equal to 8 minus 3 is 5. So 40 minus 5 is 35, divided by 8 equal to 4. Remainder is 3. So next 4 and 3. 30 minus 1 into 2 plus 4 into 4, that is 16 minus 2 is 14. So 30 minus 14 is 16 divided by 8. We consider here not 2 because then uh, remainder will be 0 and next figure will be 0 divided by 8 minus some figure divided by 8. So we consider 16 by 8 equal to 1 as quotient and remainder as 8. So 80 minus 1 into 1, 4 plus 4 into 1. So 4 plus 4 minus 4 equal to 0. So 80 divided by 8 equal to 9 and remainder is 8. Now here we see there are 7 steps and there is no cancellation. So 0 cancelled. Now remainder is 311 minus 4 into 1 minus 1 into 0 multiplied by 10 minus 1 into 1. So 311 minus 4 into 1 is 4 minus 0. So 4 into 10 is 40 and this is minus 1 into 1 is that is plus 1. So 311 minus 40 plus 1 that is 272. So the quotient is 1.32419 or Q equal to quotient is 1 and remainder is 272. Second example, divide 5011 by 439. 4 is first divisor written down. Diagonally opposite on upper line is 39, second and third divisors, and taken as Dhvajanks. This has 2 digits, so 2 digits from 5011, last 2 digits 1 and 1 are taken beyond decimal point. Now division 5 divided by 4 is 1 quotient and remainder as 1. Now second division 1 0 10 minus 3 into 1, that is 7 divided by 4 equal to 1 and remainder 3. Next is 31 dividend minus 9 into 1 and 1 into 3 into 1, that is 9 plus 3 12. 31 minus 12 is 19 divided by 4 equal to 4 quotient and remainder 3. Now next is 31 minus dividend minus 9 into 1 and plus 3 into 4, that is 9 plus 12 21. 31 minus 21 is 10 divided by 4. So we can take quotient 2 and remainder 2. But next dividend is 20. 20 minus 9 into 4 plus 3 into 2. That gives us 36 plus 6, 42, which is greater than 20. So 20 minus 42 is negative answer. So we cannot take 2 as quotient for this 31. We go back to 31 minus 9 into 1 plus 3 into 4 equal to 10 divided by 4 equal to 1 quotient and 6 remainder. Now 60 is dividend minus 9 into 4 plus 3 into 1, that is 36 plus 3 39. 60 minus 39 is 21. 21 divided by 4 equal to 5 quotient and 1 remainder. Now again 10 is dividend minus 9 into 1 plus 3 into 5. So that becomes 9 plus 15, 24. 10 minus 24, that is negative answer. So we cannot take 5 as quotient for this 60 remainder. Now 60 minus 9 into 4 plus 3 into 1, that is 21 divided by 4 equal to 4 and remainder 5. Now 50 dividend minus 9 into 1 plus 3 into 4. So 9 plus 12, 21. 50 minus 21 is 29. 29 by 4 equal 29 divided by 4. We can take 7 as quotient and remainder is 1. But again 10 dividend minus 9 into 4 plus 3 into 7. 3 into 7. So the answer is 36 plus 21, that is 57. So it gives us negative result 10 minus 57. Hence we cannot take 7 as quotient. We go back to 50. 50 minus 9 into 1 and 3 into 4 equal to 9 plus 21. So 50 minus 21 is 29 by 4. We can take 6 as quotient and 5 as remainder. But again 50 minus 9 into 4 plus 3 into 6, 18, and plus 36, that is 54. 50 minus 54 is negative, so we cannot take 6 also as a quotient. Then we come back again to 50 minus 9 into 1 plus 3 into 4 equal to 12 plus 9, 21. 50 minus 21 is 29. 29 divided by 4 equal to 5 and remainder 9. So 90 divided minus 9 into 4 plus 3 into 5, that is 15 plus 36. 36 plus 15, 51. 90 minus 51 is 39 divided by 4 equal to 7 and remainder 11. So in this case we have seen that there are 15 steps, out of which 8 are cancelled. Now the same example we go by use Vinkaram Sutra. Now 439 becomes 4 4 bar 1. So 4 first divisor taken down, 41 4 bar 1 is written diagonally opposite on upper line of 4. So 41 being 4 bar 1 being 2 digits, 11 also is taken after decimal point. Now 5 divided by 4 equal to 1 or 1. 1 quotient or remainder. Now 10 minus 4 into 1, that is 6 divided by 4 equal to 1 and remainder 2. Now 21 minus minus 1 into 1 and 4 into 1, that is 4 minus 1 3. 21 minus 3 is 18. 18 by 4 equal to 4 quotient and 2 remainder. Now again 21 bar, bar 1 into 1 and 4 into 4, that is 16 minus 1 15. 21 minus 15 is 6. 6 divided by 4 is 1 quotient and 2 remainder. So 20 dividend minus bar 1 into 4 and plus 4 into 1. So that becomes 0. 1 minus 4 plus 4 0. 20 remains as it is. So 20 divided by 4 is 4 and remainder 4. Now 40 minus bar 1 into 1 plus 4 into 4 equal to 16 minus 1 15. 40 minus 15 is 25 divided by 4 equal to 5 remainder 5. 50 minus bar 1 into 4 plus 4 into 5, that is 20 minus 4 is 16. 50 minus 16 is 34 divided by 4 equal to 7 quotient and remainder 6. Now in this case we have got 7 steps and none is cancelled. 0 cancelled. Remainder is 211 minus 4 into 1 minus 1 into 1 multiplied by 10 minus bar 1 into 1. So 211 minus 30 minus plus 1. So 182 is the answer. Now quotient is 11.41457 or quotient is 11 and remainder 182. Third example, divide 888 by 672. 6 is first divisor written down. Diagonally opposite on upper sign is 72, that is Dhvajanks. 72 is having 2 digits, so 88 is taken after decimal point. Now 8 divided by 6 is 1, remainder is 2. 28 minus 7 into 1, that is 21 divided by 6 is 3 3 3 quotient 3 remainder. 38 minus 2 into 1 plus 7 into 3, that is 21 plus 2 is 23. 38 minus 23 is 15 by 6 equal to 2 or 3. Now 30 is remainder. 30 is dividend minus 2 into 3 plus 7 into 2 that is 14 plus 6, 20. 30 minus 20 is 10. 10 by 6 equal to 1. Our remainder is 4. Now 40 minus 2 into 2 plus 7 into 1, that is 4 plus 7, 11. 40 minus 11 is 29 by 6 equal to 4 or 5. 5 is remainder. Now 50 minus 21 plus 7 into 4, 2 into 1 plus 7 into 4, so 28 plus 2, 30. 50 minus 30 is 20. 20 by 6 equal to 2 and remainder 8. Now here we have 6 steps. There is no cancellation. So remainder is 288 minus 7 into 1 plus 2 into 0 multiplied by 10 minus 2 into 1, that is 288 minus 70 minus 2 equal to 216. In this case 8 is before decimal point, there is only one uh, digit, so we have considered 0, which is not in the division at all. That is consideration only for remainder. Now in this case, without vinculum, this is having only 6 steps and no cancellation. We can try 6 by vinculum. 672 equal to 7 bar 3 2. That is the divisor. Now 7 is per divisor, minus 32 minus 3 2 is the Dhvajanks. Now 8 by 7 is 1 R1, 1 R1. 18 minus 3 into 1, that is plus 3, so 21 by 7 equal to 3 R0. 0 is remainder. Now 08 minus 2 into 1 minus plus minus 3 into 3, that is minus 9 and plus 2, that is minus 7. So it becomes plus 8 plus 7 is 15 by 7 equal to 2R1. Now 10 is the remainder dividend, minus 2 into 3 minus plus minus 3 into 2, that is 6. So this is 6, this is 6, cancel out. So 10 by 7 equal to 1 or 3. 3 is remainder. Now 30 minus 2 into 2 plus minus 3 into 1, that is 1. 1 is minus 30 minus 1 is 29 by 7, that is 4 quotient and 1 remainder. 10 minus 2 into 1 minus 3 into 4, that is minus 12, and plus 2, that is 10. 10 plus 10 equal to 20 by 7. So 2 is quotient and 6 is remainder. Here also 6 steps are there. So there is no advantage of going for vinculum. Now the remainder becomes 188 minus minus 3 into 1 plus 2 into 0, that is multiplied by 10. So 30 is plus minus 2 into 1 is 2. So 188 plus 30 minus 2 becomes 216. So the quotient is 1.32142, or quotient is 1 and remainder is 216. Example 4. Divide 47 by 798 to 5 places of decimals. Now 7 is written down. Diagonally opposite on upper line is 98. 98 is having 2 digits. Now, but 47 is smaller than 798. So all these are 47 is after decimal point. Now 4 divided by 7 is 0 and remainder is 4. So 47 minus 9 into 0 equal to 0. 47 divided by 7 is 6 and remainder is 5. But if we consider 6 as a quotient and 5 as remainder, 50 minus 8 into 0 plus 9 into 6, that is 9 into 6 is 54. So 50 minus 54 minus 4 is the result, which is not possible. So we consider 47 minus 9 into 0 equal to 47 by 7 equal to 5 as quotient and 12 as remainder. Now when we consider 12 as remainder, 120 minus 8 into 0 plus 9 into 5, that is 45. 120 minus 45 is 75 by 7, that is 8 is the quotient and 19 is remainder. Now 190 is dividend minus 8 into 5 plus 9 into 8, that is 72 plus 40, that is 112. 190 minus 112 is 78. 78 by 7 equal to 9 quotient and 15 is remainder. But 150, when we consider minus 8 into 8 plus 9 into 9 equal to 81 plus 64, that's equal 145, that is 5 by 7 equal to 0 or 5 or 5. So, but 50 minus 8 into 9 plus 9 into 0. So 8 into 9 is 72. 50 minus 72 is minus 22. That is not possible. So we go back to 190. 190 minus 190 minus 8 into 5 plus 9 into 8, that is 78 by 7 equal to, instead of 9, we consider 8 as quotient and remainder is 22. So 220 minus 8 into 8 plus 9 into 8, that is 84 by 7. 8 into 8 is 64 and 9 into 8 is 72. So 220 minus 64 plus 72, that is 136, gives you 84 by 7, that is, so quotient is 9 and remainder is 21. So 210 minus 8 into 8 plus 9 into 9, that is 81 plus 64, that is 145. 210 minus 145 is 65 by 7, that is 7, quotient is 7 and remainder is 16. Now there are 11 steps in this and 5 out of which 5 are cancelled. Now we will go by Vinkaram Sutra. 798 is divisor, that is equal to 80 by 2. Now 8 is first divisor and 0 minus 2 is second and third divisors taken as Dhvajanks. So 4 by 8 equal to 0 or 4. Remainder is 4. Now 47 minus 0 into 0 equal to 47 divided by 8, that is 5 or 7. 5 is quotient and 7 is remainder. Now 70 minus 2 into 0 plus 5 into 0, that is also 0. So 70 divided by 8 is 8 quotient and 6 as remainder. Now 60 minus 2 into 5 plus 0 into 8. So 60, 10 is added to 60, 70 divided by 8 equal to 8 or 6. 8 quotient and 6 is remainder. So 60 minus 2 into 8 plus 0 into 8, that is again 16 is added to 60, 76 divided by 8 is 9 or 4. 4 is remainder. Now 40 minus 2 into 8 plus 0 into 9, that is 16 is added to 40. 56 by 8 equal to 7 or 0. Here there are 6 steps and none is cancelled. Now the quotient becomes 0.8897. Whether it is a straight division or by Vinkaram, it is result is same. Fifth example, divide 1561 by 349. 3 is per divisor and 49 second and third divisors taken as Dhvajanks. There are 2 digits in the Dhvajanks, so 61 is taken after decimal point. 1 divided by 3 is 0 and remainder 1. 15 4 into minus 4 into 0, that is 0. 15 minus 0. 15 divided by 3 equal to 4 remainder 3. Now 36 is dividend minus 9 into 0 plus 4 into 4, that is 36 minus 16 is 20 by 3, 3 is divided, so 4 remainder 8. Now 81 minus 9 into 4 plus 4 into 4 equal to 29 divided by 3 equal to 7, remainder 8. Now 80 minus 9 into 4 plus 4 into 7, that is 36 plus 28. So 16 divided by 3 equal to 2 and remainder 10. Now 100 minus 9 into 7 plus 4 into 2. So 9 into 7 is 63 plus 8, that is 71. 100 minus 71 is 29 by 3, that is 7 and remainder 8. 80, 9 into 2 plus 4 into 7, that is 18 plus 28, 46. That gives us 80 minus 46, 34 by 3 equal to 7, remainder 13. Now here we find 7 steps are there and none is cancelled. We do not get any advantage by using wing column, but we, for academic interest, we take uh, by wing column method also. But before that, remainder is 361 minus 4 into 4 plus 9 into 0 multiplied by 10 minus 9 into 4, that is 16 into 10 is 160 minus 36. So 361 minus 160 minus 36 equal to 361 minus 196 equal to 165. Now we go for wing column method. 349 is 35 minus 1 bar 1. So 3 is divisor, first divisor, and 5 bar 1 minus 1 is Dhvajanks. So again 2 digits 61 are taken after decimal point. 1 divided by 3 is 0 or 1. So 0, 1 is divisor, remainder, 15 is dividend, minus 5 into 0. So 15 divided by 3, we consider 4 as the quotient and remainder is 3. Now 36 minus 1 into 0 plus 5 into 4, that is 20. 36 minus 20 is 16 divided by 3 equal to 4, remainder 4. 41 minus 1 into 4 plus 5 into 4, that is 20 minus 4, 16, where 41 minus 16 is 25 by 3, that is 7, the quotient, and remainder is 4. So 40 minus 1 into 4 plus 5 into 7, that is 35 minus 4 is 31. So 40 minus 31 is 9 by 3. We consider 2 as quotient and remainder 3. 30 minus 1 into 7 plus 5 into 2, that is 10 minus 7 is 3. 30 minus 3 is 27 by divided by 3 equal to 7 or 6, remainder 6. So 60 minus bar 1 into 2 plus 5 into 7, that is 35 minus 2 is 33. So 60 minus 33, 27 by 3 equal to 7 or 6. 7 is quotient, 6 is remainder. Here also we get 7 steps and none is cancelled. So remainder is 361 minus 5 into 4 minus 1 into 0 multiplied by 10 and minus 1 into 4, that is, so 361 minus 200, 20 into 10, 200 plus 4, that is 361 minus 196 is 165. Quotient is 4.47277 or 4 and remainder, quotient is 4 and remainder is 165. Example 6. Divide 13579 by 975. 9 is first divisor written down. Diagonally opposite on upper line is second and third digits of divisor 75. Now 75 is Dhvajanks having 2 digits. So 79 is taken after decimal point. Now 1 divided by 9 is 0. So 0 or 1. 1 is the remainder. 13 minus 7 into 0 equal to 13 divided by 9, that is equal to 1. Quotient is 1 and remainder 4. Now 45 is next dividend, minus 5 into 0 plus 7 into 1, that is 7. 45 minus 7 is 38 divided by 9 is equal to 3 and remainder is 11. Now 11 and 7, 117 minus 5 into 1 plus 7 into 3, that is 5 and 21, 26. 117 minus 26 is 91 divided by 9 equal to quotient 9 and remainder 10. Now 109 minus 5 into 3 plus 7 into 9, that is 63 plus 15, 78. 109 minus 78 is 31 divided by 9. So quotient is 2 and remainder is 13. Quotient 2 is taken because if it is taken, 3 is taken, then you get only 4 as remainder and 40 minus 5 into 9 plus 7 into 2, will become negative. So 2R13 is the answer. Now 13 is 130 minus 5 into 9 plus 7 into 2, that is 14 plus 45, 49, 59. So 130 minus 59 is 71 divided by 9. 9 7 are 63. So 7 and remainder 8. Next dividend is 80. 80 minus 5 into 2 plus 7 into 7. That is 49 plus 10, 59. 80 minus 59 is 21 divided by 9 equal to 1 or 12. 12 is remainder. So 120 minus 5 into 7 plus 7 into 1, that is 35 plus 7, 42. 120 minus 42 is 78 divided by 9, which gives result 7 is quotient and 15 is remainder. Now all this is 8 steps and 0 step is cancelled. So remainder, now we calculate 1179 minus 7 into 3 plus 5 into 1, that is 21 plus 5, 26 into 10, that is 260, and minus 5 into 3, that is 15. So 1179 minus 260 minus 15 is 1179 minus 275, that is 904. Now quotient is 13.92717, or quotient Q is 13 and remainder is 904. Same example we take by Vinculum Sutra. 975 is equal to 10 bar 25 bar 2 bar 5. So 10 is the first divisor and 25 bar 2 bar 5 is second divisors taken as Dhvajanks. Now 1 divided by 10 is 0 or 1. Again 13 divided by 13 minus 2 into 0. So 13 by 10 equal to 1 or 3. 1 and remainder 3. Now next dividend is 35. Bar 5 minus bar 5 into 0 and plus bar 2 minus multiplied by 1. So 5 is 0 0 minus 2 becomes plus 2 with my minus signature of minus sign before bracket. So 35 plus 2 37 by 10, that becomes 3 as quotient and 7 is remainder. So 77 minus bar 5 into 1 plus bar 2 into 3, that is 5 plus 6 11. So 77 plus 8 11 becomes 88. 88 divided by 10 is 8 and remainder 8. Now 89 minus bar 5 into 3 plus bar 2 into 8. So 16 plus 15 31. 89 plus 31 is 120, divided by 10 becomes 12 is quotient and remainder is 0. Now 0 0 0 0 minus bar 5 into 8 minus plus bar 2 into 12. So 40 plus 24, 64. So 0 0 plus 64, 64 by 10 becomes the 6 is quotient and remainder is 4. 6 quotient, remainder is 4. So 40 minus 5 into 12 plus bar 2 into 6, that is 60 plus 12, 72. 40 plus 72 is 112 divided by 10 equal to 11. Quotient is 11 and remainder is 2. So 220 minus 5 into 6 and plus bar 2 into 11, that is 22 plus 30, 56. 22 plus 30, 52. 52 plus 20, 72. 72 divided by 10 equal to 7 and remainder 2. So here also you get 8 steps and none is cancelled. Remainder is 779 minus bar 2 into 3 minus bar 5 into 1, that is 6 plus 5, 11 into 10, that is 110, and minus bar 5 into 3, that is 15, that also becomes plus. So 779 plus 110 plus 15 is 904. The answer quotient is 13.8, 12, 6, 11, 7. Now wherever 2 digits are there, those single digit, 10th digit is taken to the left. So 7, 11, out of 11, 1 is taken down and 1 is taken to the left. So 6 plus 1 is 7. And similarly 12, 2 is kept there and 1 is taken to the left. So we get the answer 92717. So quotient is 13.92717 or Q quotient is 13 and remainder is 904. Example 7. Divide 93739 by 679. 6 is first divisor written on a line. Diagonally opposite on the upper line is 79, that is Dhvajanks. Now 79 has 2 digits, so 39 from 937539 is taken after decimal point, 2 digits. Okay. Now division. 9 divided by 6 equal to 1, remainder is 3. Now 33 minus 7 into 1 equal to 26 by 6 as divided by 6. Now if we take 4 as a quotient, 4, then remainder is 2. But then next line would be 9 into 1 plus 7 into 4 equal to 37, which is bigger than 27 to 7. So this is out of question. We take 33 minus 7 into 1 equal to 26 divided by 6 equal to 3 or 8. Remainder as 8. So 87 minus 9 into 1 plus 7 into 3 equal to 57 divided by 6, that is 8 is quotient and remainder is 9. Now here again 95 minus 9 into 3 plus 7 into 8, that is 12 divided by 6 equal to 1 and remainder 6. But if we take 1 as quotient, then next division would be 9 multiplied by 8 plus 7 into 1 equal to 79, which is bigger than 63, 6 being last remainder. So this is out of question. We take 95 minus 9 into 3 plus 7 into 8 equal to 12 divided by 6. We take quotient 0 and then remainder is 12. Now 123 minus 9 into 8 plus 7 into 0 equal to 51 divided by 6. Now this quotient is 7 and remainder is 9. Next division 99 minus 9 into 0 plus 7 into 7 equal to 50 divided by 6. If we take quotient as 8, then 8 into 6, 8 6 are 48, so 2 is remainder. Now if we take quotient as 8 and remainder 2, next line would be 9 into 7 plus 7 into 8, that is 119, which is bigger than 20. So this quotient of 8 is not suitable. We take 99 minus 9 into 0 plus 7 into 7 equal to 50 divided by 6. If we take quotient as 7, remainder is 8. So next division would be 9 into 7 plus 7 into 7 equal to 112, which is bigger than 80. 8 being remainder, 80 is the dividend. So 7 quotient of 7 also is not suitable. Then we take 99 minus 9 into 0 plus 7 into 7 equal to 50 divided by 6 equal to 6 and remainder is 14. Now 140 minus 9 into 7 plus 7 into 6 equal to 35 divided by 6. The quotient is 4, remainder is 11. So 110 minus 9 into 6 plus 7 into 4 equal to 28 stroke divided by 6. That is, we take quotient as 3 and not 4. 3 and remainder is 10. So 100 minus 9 into 4 plus 7 into 3. The answer is 43 divided by 6 equal to 5. Quotient is 5 and remainder is 13. So in this case, what we see is 13 steps are there. Out of those, 4 are cancelled. Now remainder is 1239 minus 7 into 0 plus 9 into 8 multiplied by 10 and 9 into 0 multiplied by 1. So 1239 minus 720. 9 8 are 72, 72 into 8, 720 and 0. So 1239 minus 720 is equal to 519. Now quotient is 1380.76435, or quotient is 1380 and remainder is 519. Again, we take same example, continue in by using Vinkalam Sutra. So 679 equal to 7 bar 2 bar 1. Then 7 is first divisor taken down, noted down, and 21 is bar 20 bar 3, 2 bar 1 is written diagonally opposite on previous line, first line, and these being there being two digits, 39 is taken after decimal point. Now we take 9 divided by 7 equal to 1. R2 range remainder is 2. So 23 minus 2 into 1, that is plus 2. 23 plus 2, 25 divided by 7 equal to 3 or 4. So what next division is 47 minus 1 into 1 plus minus 2 into 3. So 6 plus 1 7. 7 is added to 47. 54 divided by 7 equal to 7 remainder 5. Now 55 minus 1 into 3 plus minus 2 into 7, that is 14 plus 3 is 17. 55 plus 17 is 72 divided by 7. We take a quotient as 10 and remainder is 2. Now next dividend is 23 minus 1 into 7 and plus minus 2 into 10, that is 27. 23 plus 27 is 50. 50 divided by 7 is 7 quotient and remainder is 1. So next dividend is 19. 19 minus 1 into 10 plus minus 2 into 7, that is 14. 24. So 19 plus 24 is 43 divided by 7. We get quotient as 6 and remainder 1 again. Now next quotient is next dividend is 10 minus minus 1 into 7 plus minus 2 into 6. So 12 plus 7 is 19. 10 plus 19 is 29 divided by 7. So we get quotient as 4 and remainder again 1. Now this 1 0 is dividend minus 1 into 6 plus minus 2 into 4 equal to 8 plus 6 14, 10 plus 14 24 divided by 7. So answer is 3 as quotient and remainder is 3. Now 30 dividend minus 1 into 4 plus minus 2 into 3, that is 6 plus 4 10. So 30 plus 10 is 40. 40 divided by 7 is 5 quotient and remainder is 5. Now in this case we check see that there are 9 steps and none is cancelled, 0 cancelled. Remainder is 239 minus minus 2 into 10 plus minus 1 into 7 multiplied by 10 and minus 1 into 10. So we get 20 27. So 270 239 plus 270 plus 10, that becomes 519. So we get the answer quotient 13710, that becomes 1380.76435, or quotient is 1380 plus remainder 519. Our next example is eighth example. Divide 222220 by 735. Now 7 is divisor, first divisor, and 35 is written diagonally opposite on upper line, which becomes Dhvajanks. 35 two digits Dhvajanks, so 20 is written next to decimal point. Now 2 divided by 7 is 0 and remainder 2. 22 minus 3 into 0 equal to 22 divided by 7 is quotient is 3 and remainder 1. Now 12 minus 5 into 0 plus 3 into 3, 9. So 12 plus 9 is 12 minus 9 is 3 divided by 7 equal to quotient is 0 and remainder is 3. Now 32 minus 5 into 3 and plus 3 into 0, that is 15. 32 minus 15 is 17 divided by 7 equal to quotient is 2 and remainder is 3. Next dividend is 32, again 32 minus 5 into 0 plus 3 into 2, that is 6. 32 minus 6 is 26 divided by 7 equal to 3, quotient 3 and remainder 5. Next dividend is 50. 50 minus 5 into 2 plus 3 into 3, that is 10 plus 9, 19. 50 minus 19 is 31 divided by 7 equal to 4 quotient and 3 is remainder. Now 30 remainder minus 5 into 3 plus 3 into 4, that is 15 plus 12, 27. 30 minus 27 is 3 divided by 7 equal to 0 quotient and remainder is 3. Next dividend again 30 minus 5 into 4 plus 3 into 0, that is 20. 30 minus 20 is 10 divided by 7 is quotient is 1 and remainder is 3. Now again we get 30 dividend minus 5 into 0 plus 3 into 1, that is 3. 30 minus 3 is 27 divided by 7 is quotient is 3 and remainder 6. So in this case there is no only 9 steps are there, no cancellation is there. So remainder is 320 minus 3 into 2 plus 5 into 0, that is multiplied by 10 and minus again 5 into 2, 10. So 320 minus 60 minus 10 is 250. Quotient is 302.34013, or quotient is Q is 302 and remainder is 250. Ninth example, divide 4213 by 1234. Now 12 is first two divisors and 34 is third and fourth divisors, written diagonally opposite on upper line, and which becomes Dhvajanks. So 34 has two digits, 13 out of 4213 we take after decimal point. Now 4 divided by 12 equal to 0. 0 is quotient and remainder is 4. Now 42 minus 3 into 0, that is 42 divided by 12 equal to 3 is quotient and 6 is remainder. Now 61 minus 4 into 0 plus 3 into 3, that is 9. 61 minus 9 is 52 divided by 12 equal to 4 and remainder is 4. Quotient is 4, remainder is 4. Now 43 is next dividend, minus 4 into 3 plus 3 into 4, that is 24. 12 plus 12 24. 43 minus 24 is 19 divided by 12 is quotient is 1 and 7 is the remainder. 70 when we take dividend, minus 4 into 4 plus 3 into 1, that is 16 plus 3 19. 70 minus 19 is 51 divided by 12 equal to 4 is quotient and 3 is remainder. Now 30 dividend, minus 4 into 1 plus 3 into 4, that is 16. 30 minus 16 is 14 divided by 12 equal to 1 is quotient and 2 is remainder. Now 20 remainder, dividend, minus 4 into 4 plus 3 into 1, that is 16 plus 3 is 19. 20 minus 19 is 1 divided by 12 becomes quotient is 0 and remainder is 1. Now this has 7 steps and 0 is cancelled. So remainder is 613 minus 3 into 3 plus 4 into 0 multiplied by 10 minus 4 into 3. So remainder becomes 613 minus 90, 9 into 0, 9 into 10, minus 12 equal to 511. So quotient becomes 3.41410, or quotient is 3 and remainder is 511. Now last example, example 10. Divide 135791 by 2525. Now 25 is written on the lower line, first two divisors, and third and fourth divisor 25 written diagonally opposite on the upper line. 25 being two digits in the Dhvajanks, 91 is taken as after decimal point. Now 13 divided by 25 is 0, quotient is 0 and remainder is 13. So 135 minus 2 into 0, that is 135 divided by 25 equal to, quotient is 5 and remainder is 10. Now 107 minus 5 into 0 plus 2 into 5, that is 10 is deducted from 107, gives 97 divided by 25. So we get 3 as quotient and remainder is 22. Now 229 minus 5 into 5 and 2 into 3, that is 25 plus 6, 31. 229 minus 31 is 198, divided by 25 is 7 is quotient and 23 is remainder. Now 231 dividend minus 5 into 3 plus 2 into 7, that is 15 plus 14, 15 plus 14, 29. 231 minus 9, 29. 231 minus 29 equal to 202 divided by 25. If we take 8 as quotient, remainder is 2, but next line would be 20 minus 5 into 7 plus 2 into 8, that is 35 plus 16, so that is equal to 51. So we get minus result 20 minus 51. Hence we cannot take 8 as quotient. We consider 231 minus 5 into 3 plus 2 into 7 equal to 202 divided by 25. We take quotient as 7 and remainder is 27. So 270 minus 5 into 7 plus 2 into 7, that is 14 plus 35, 35 plus 4, 39 and 49. 270 minus 49 is 221 divided by 25 equal to 8 is quotient and 21 is remainder. Now 210 dividend minus 5 into 7 plus 2 into 8, that is 35 plus 16. So 210 minus this 35 plus 16, 41, 51. So 159 is divided by 25 equal to 6 is quotient and 9 is remainder. So 90 minus 5 into 8 plus 2 into 6, that is 40 plus 12, 40, 52. 90 minus 52 is 38 divided by 25 equal to 1, quotient is 1 and remainder is 13. So in this case we have got 10 steps and 2 of them are cancelled. The remainder is 2291 minus 2 into 3 plus 5 into 5 multiplied by 10 minus 5 into 3. So 2291 minus 310, 6 plus 25, 31, 31 into 10, 310 minus 15. So the answer is 1966. Now quotient, we get quotient as 53.77861, or quotient is 53 and remainder is 1966. Now we go for exercise 1. Divide 142,862 by 1539. Divide 435,732 by 1234. Divide 513,579 by 939. Fourth, divide 106,4,321 by 743. Fifth, divide 6381827 by 528. Sixth, divide 46315 by 1054. Seventh, divide 7143 by 1171. Eighth, divide 7531579 by 1213. Ninth, divide 135791 by 1245. 10, divide 46781 by 1483. 11th, divide 3124 by 1532. 12th, divide 13579 by 1616. 13th, divide 97531 by 1627. 14th, divide 135791 by 1632. And 15th, divide 1357.90 by 2145.